Hi everyone, our topic will talking about the making sandwich in Jimmy John, and there will be two major scenes in our video. The first one is the video we recorded in Jimmy John, and the second one is the process analysis and utilization. Here is the first scene.
Number 2, Chief.
According to our observation and recording, we draw the flow chart of Jimmy John. The first one is the overall flow chart, and the second one is the flow chart of its making process. And according to our observation and recording, the order time of the process is 30 seconds. And the making time of the process is 25 seconds. And the packaging time of the flowchart is 5 seconds. And the pickup time is also 5 seconds. And the making process have 5 activities. The first one is employee slice bread, and then add cheese, add vegetables, add meat, and add sauce. And the total time is equal to the making time. And the actual time is may vary, depends on the different orders.
Right. Next, we are going to talk about the capacity, the bottleneck, and the utilization of the whole process. And we are going to calculate each of the numbers. First, about the capacity. The meaning of the capacity is the maximum flow rate of the process, and it's defined by the bottleneck. And the bottleneck is the minimum capacity of all activities. According to our recording, we can see that the ordering process is the bottleneck of the process, and we can calculate the bottleneck by the time needed, the time provided for the process over the time needed for the process, and the answer is 120 units per hour. This is the capacity, because as we mentioned before, the capacity is defined by the bottleneck. So the capacity and the bottleneck both are 120 units per hour. And about the utilization is defined by how close the actual output is to the actual capacity, and it's calculated by the actual output over the capacity. According to our observation, we can see that the actual output of Jimmy John is 20 units per hour, which means that he can sell 20 subs to customers, and the capacity of the process is 120 units per hour. According to the formula, we can say that the utilization of the whole process is 16.67%.
Action.
Jimmy John is one of the most successful sandwich maker in Iowa City. We can easily find some incredible advantage of the biggest one we noticed in our video is that they have over 1 workers in their workstation. They have 3 workers. The first one will do the order process, and the second one will do the making process. And the last one will package the sandwich and give it to our customer. And because of the 3 workers, we can do the order process and further process at the same time, which lead us a very short making time. And also because of the 3 workers, and our utilization is comparatively low. It's only 16%. I think it's a kind of low percentage in the whole industry. So we suggest that maybe Jimmy John can switch this worker in packaging process to the first process, which is our bottleneck, especially in the lunchtime when the store are very busy. And alright, this is our video project, and thanks to all of our teammates.